Asibheke wona-ke ama-transfers enzakala khona-ke laphana kwi-PSL. Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced the departure of attacking midfielder Gaston Sireno. Lo mdlali-ke inkontileka yakhe iphele nge-30 June and kuyavela-ke manje ukuthi management ikhethe ukuthi-ke ingabe-ke isayivuselela. Ama-reports avelayo manje ukuthi-ke olibhekise khona-ke laphana e-KZN. Durban City is expected to announce his signature in the upcoming days and-ke uzokwazi-ke ukuthi-ke nowa-ede yona-ke i-depth to their squad. Sikhumbule-ke ukuthi bawine yona-ke i-Nedbank Cup last season and also-ke more importantly uzo-eda yona-ke i-experience. So this is good for the team and uzokwazi-ke ukuthi-ke abancede-ke in the upcoming season. While staying with Amakhosi, kuthiwa-ke yena kuMaccabi Lepo has received a big offer from Morocco. Kuthiwa yona-ke AS FAR is interested in the player and they are willing to pay around 16 million for his services. I think-ke i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs izoyithatha-ke le offer-ke if it is real and-ke sombona-ke lo mdlali-ke eshiya-ke khona-ke laphana kuMakhosi eyodlala khona-ke laphana eMorocco. While staying khona-ke e-Africa, sikhumbule-ke ukuthi-ke the former head coach of i-Golden Arrows uManqoba Mnqithi is the new head coach of Young Africans. So this is good for him and also-ke for South African football and-ke abaqeqeshi kuhle ukubona abaqeqeshi bethu-ke behamba-ke beyocoacha-ke outside of the country and-ke bazothola-ke more experience because-ke out of their comfort zone. Hlala khona-ke laphana eTanzania kuthiwa yona-ke iSekhukhune United winger uKeletso Magawula is on his way to Simba SC. While staying in Africa, kuthiwa-ke noRhulani Mokwena is on his way out of Al Ittihad SC. Ke le qembu-ke linejabulile neze-ke because-ke uMokwena uhambise yona-ke i-resignation letter and-ke uma-ke sebesayina kusho ukuthi kuzohamba-ke officially and ama-indications athi i-Pyramids SC yakhona-ke laphana e-Egypt have already shown interest in securing yena-ke laphayana-ke uRhulani Mokwena and-ke ngahle-ke ayithole-ke sephatha-ke khona-ke lapha kule qembu lase-Egypt in the upcoming season.